This is my downloads folder 5 minutes ago. And this is after I gave it to the autonomous agent to organize everything. So basically, our agent reads the folder and figures out what to do with everything. After that, it uses its own shell command to move the files into right places. Now let's build this together and see how it's easy to set up everything. Let's start by creating a virtual environment here. Then we need to install our dependencies. Now let's switch to MainPy. Now we need to import autonomous agent and task. In autonomous agent class, we need to specify model and workspace. As our model, we are using Anthropic, so you need Anthropic API key. For workspace, I just created a folder. Here we have our workspace, and this is our agent's playground. There will be my downloads folder and also agents markdown with skills folder. We will get there. Okay, so let's start writing the code. I will just say organize the downloads folder. That's it. I will just give this task to the agent. Now I will run this. It will take a while. Meanwhile, I will explain this agent markdown here. In simple terms, it's our agent's brain. It learns everything from here. It runs in every session. And now we have our short version. You can always extend this one. But for this case, we have skills and memory behavior. For memory behavior, we want our agent to keep track of everything and create memory based on our conversation. This is the important part. We just define folder organization skill. Here we have some structure and what categories that I want. And there are some, of course, rules. I don't want my agent to delete any file or deal with duplicates, etc. This is the structure that I want at the end. Our agent finished the task and we can see the results here. Perfect. We have everything categorized and divided into folders. It's much better than the before version, and there is even a log. We can keep track of everything. It wrote everything here, what has been moved, and there is even a memory. There are some notes here. And there is no hard-coded logic. The agent reads the skill and figures out the rest. If you want to learn more about how autonomous agents work, check out the concept video that we have in our channel. And see you in the next one.